What's up? Welcome back. Sorry about the gap. Had a couple things at the house that had to get done. I'm settling into a whole new life here in Florida, and with anything that can be overwhelming. There's a lot of odds and ends that got to get tied up before you can really feel like you're on track and moving forward. And whenever I feel that way, it really takes away from my creative energy, and it kind of saps that from me, which has been something that I've been struggling with. And now that I'm kind of caught up and things feel a little bit better, I mean, there's always stuff to do around the house, let's be real, but I feel like I'm in a good place to create. So that being said, this morning, we're at the skate park of Mineola. We're gonna grab some quick clips of some tricks that I've been working on, some things that I wanted to kind of get on film. You guys said you enjoyed the skating, so let's get into a bit of that. What's up, guys? We're here getting clips. It's real hot, very humid. The heat here in Florida is different than it is back home, and the air's a lot thicker, which makes it harder to breathe. And the harder it is to breathe, the harder it is to control your body and stay in control of your skating. You know, so it's just something I'm kind of learning how to adapt to here skating in Florida. Now, there's tons of awesome parks near my house. This is the closest one. This is the skate park in Mineola. It was built by Team Payne, which is a Florida-based company, and like they build some of the best skate parks in the world. So it's pretty dope to be able to skate a bunch of these different parks that are located pretty close to my house. Let's get back to it. So we went over to the skate park, tried to get some clips. It's very, very, very hot, which makes it hard to breathe. And when it's hard to breathe, it's hard to control your body and your posture and stuff like that, which makes skating pretty much impossible. We're making a quick stop at Lowe's to grab some lunch after that, and then we're heading back to the house. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Later. quick dip in the pool, got changed up, doing some cleaning and some odds and ends around here. Tommy's in the other room premiering a video right now on his channel, and I'm out here finishing these clips talking to you guys for this edit. Hope you had fun skating, and there will be more skateboarding and stuff like that. But I want to know from you guys, what do you want to see more of? Back home, before I moved down here, I was a skateboard instructor and helped to run one of the oldest and largest skate parks in New England. And I was also a snowboard instructor at my local mountain. And I got to help spread what I love to other people and pay it forward in that respect. So that's kind of what this channel is really about. It's taking you guys on these daily adventures and to try and learn all these new things and kind of see where that takes us. Let me know if you want to see more skating or snowboarding or anything like that. Any ideas you guys might have for the channel, I really appreciate it, and helps us to grow and go on new adventures together. Speaking of which, we got some stuff we got to get into, so let's do it. Cleaning the car. And I have a lot of people in and out of my car, a lot of strangers, don't really know where they've been. And with Rona being so crazy and everything down here in Florida, I take extra precautions and use sanitizing wipes between every ride. That way I stay healthy, customers stay healthy, and I know that everyone's safe. I also wear a mask. Now this isn't a paid ad, but I think what I like most about doing something like Lyft is that it puts the control directly in my hands about how much time I'm gonna spend working versus how much money I'm gonna make. And I like that. So, if you're into meeting new people and you don't mind driving, pretty cool way to make some money. That being said, I'm gonna go do that stuff. This is gonna be a weekly vlog thing, so let me know in the comments what you guys wanna see more of. I'm gonna do some more skating. I'm gonna be learning how to wakeboard very soon. Somebody mentioned something about indoor skydiving, which sounds like a blast. And I have my annual pass over at Universal, so we're gonna be going and doing that very soon. Now, snowboarding is coming in December when I head back home, and there's gonna be like a holiday trip and all kinds of stuff, but I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. Let's focus on the weekly thing. I'll catch you guys next week. For now, see you later. Be well, stay healthy, stay safe. Peace.